AI will take your job. AI will replace humans. AI will take over. AI will destroy the world.
We are all tired of hearing this, and why not? AI is everywhere. It is the reality. I don't know if AI will take your job, replace you, or take over, but I'm pretty sure that the person who knows how to use AI will definitely replace you. Now, it is your responsibility to equip yourself with AI knowledge, but the question is how? How can you master AI skill? Well, I don't think I have to tell you about ChatGPT, but damn, it is too expensive. Well, there is a way to use the latest ChatGPT with DALL-E for free on your computer as well as on your smartphone. But I'm not talking about the older versions. I'm talking about ChatGPT 4 and DALL-E 3, which are the latest and improved version and are much better than the older ones. ChatGPT can help you in every field of the world, whether you are in school, college, university, or whether you are a designer, content creator, traveler, photographer, researcher, copywriter, developer, or someone who wants to learn new skills. It can do a lot of things that we will be trying in the video practically. Stay with me as I will walk you through the procedure and give you some tips and tricks because you can do more things with AI than you think. So all you need is a web browser and an internet connection and you are good to go. I'm using Microsoft Edge. By the way, I don't know why people are not using Edge because it is awesome. It has some amazing features and it is my default web browser on my PC. Google with its default search engine, by the way. Anyways, back to the topic. Just go to copilot.microsoft.com. Log in with your Microsoft account and your ChatGPT plus DALL-E is ready. You can choose different modes for the conversation. There are 3 modes: balanced, creative, and precise. Balanced mode is the default mode, where the AI model will try to balance between accuracy and creativity. Creative mode is where the AI model will try to be more imaginative and innovative but may sacrifice some factual correctness. Precise mode is where the AI model will try to be more accurate and reliable but may sacrifice some originality and flair. You can switch between these modes by clicking on the toggle button on the chat window. New features are in progress as Microsoft is working on Copilot to make it more useful. You can also start a new conversation by clicking on the new chat button. Each conversation will have a limited number of turns, so make sure to use them wisely. You can view your saved conversation by clicking on the history button. So to start with, you can ask for anything. You can upload a photo and ask about it, and you can also ask it to create images for you. Now let's solve some practical problem with it. By the way, you can also access it on your smartphone. Let's ask it to write code for ChatGPT 5. I'm just joking. You can ask it to generate various types of content such as poem, story, codes, essays, songs, celebrity parodies. You know, all these typical things that almost every large language model can do. Just tell it what kind of content you want and give it some keywords or a topic to work with. For example, you can say, write me a poem about love between artificial intelligence and humans. It will use its own words and knowledge to create the content for you. Wow, this is nice. You can also ask it to make tables or graphs. So let's ask it to create a table that shows top 10 countries by their GDP, GDP per capita, and population, and sort them in descending order for their total GDP. You can also ask it to make graphs. It can help you improve your writing skill. You can ask it to do different things with your text. For example, you can ask it to shorten a sentence or add more details to a paragraph. It will use its creative power to give you some suggestions. You can also write a whole email with it, or you can rewrite an email that you wrote yourself and see how it can make it better. By the way, if you find it useful, please share it with your friends. You can ask it to search the web for any information you need. For example, you can say, search for the latest news on climate change. It will use its search engine to find the most relevant and reliable result for you. And then you can further ask him about it to learn more. It will also show you some images and news articles related to the query if available. You can ask it to do simple calculation or conversions for you. For example, you can say, calculate 69 plus 96 or convert $100 to Pakistani rupees. It will use its mathematical ability to give you the answer. Wow, Pakistan is struggling for dollars. It can also handle more complex expression or equation if you use LaTeX syntax. Now let's ask him what is a large language model. It will start processing and search it on the web. So here is the result. I didn't get it. So let's make it simpler by typing make it simple for a 10-year-old kid and see what the result is. So here is the result.
Large language models are like very smart computers that can read and write words. They can do many things with words, like making stories, answering questions, translating languages, and more. They learn how to do these things by reading a lot of books, articles, websites, and other texts. The more they read, the better they get at using words.
Now that makes sense. Now because it is collecting this information from the web, it also gives you the source of information that he used to generate the answer for you. This way you can check or learn more about it. It can translate words, sentences, or even paragraph from one language to another. For example, you can say, translate Waqzite is the best channel on YouTube. It can understand and communicate fluently in many languages. You can also ask him to write a joke for you. I think it has some good creativity. Copilot can also correct any errors in your text, such as grammar or spelling. By the way, how many of you guys know Urdu or Hindi? Let me know in the comment section. And if you know Urdu or Hindi, to subscribe karo na yaar. You can also ask it to play games with you. For example, let's say play tic-tac-toe. It will use its gaming skill to challenge you and have fun with you. It can also teach you the rule of the game if you are not familiar with them. I put a lot of effort and time into making this kind of content for you guys, so I would really appreciate if you could hit the like button. If you are a beginner developer, it can help you with programming. You can ask questions about programming. You can also ask it to write a code for you. Let's ask it to write a code for a simple calculator in C++ language and see what it gives us. It gives me this code. So let's test it by copying and pasting it in Visual Studio and running it. It works perfectly, which is nice. You can also solve your coding problem with it. For instance, if you get an error message, you can copy it and paste it in Copilot and ask it what the problem is and how to fix it. It will tell you the cause of the error and how to fix it. You can also ask him questions about your PC. By the way, enable this auto suggestions features. It is very useful. You can summarize large web article with it. Not only that, you can also summarize YouTube video with it. All you need to do is to copy and paste the subtitle of the video and ask it to summarize it. How to get the subtitle of the YouTube video, you might be asking? Well, go to this website, give it the link of the video and it will give you the subtitle. By the way, you can do this task by using a browser extension, but it will redirect you to the OpenAI's ChatGPT website, which is paid. Copilot can now read, listen and see. So you can talk to it with your voice by clicking on the mic button and it will speak back to you. Let's try it by asking, what is quantum computer?
A quantum computer is a computer that takes advantage of quantum mechanical phenomena, such as superposition and entanglement, to perform operations on data.
Wow, the voice sound is so natural and amazing. You can also upload photo to it and ask questions about it. You can also generate beautiful captions by uploading your own photos. Now don't forget that it also has DALL-E 3 feature, which means that you can create images using natural language. For example, let's ask for a cute white elephant inside a bottle and see what it gives us. Wow, this is an impressive result. You can also get some logo ideas from DALL-E by asking it to create logo designs, and then you can modify these designs manually in Photoshop or any other software. Okay, now the ultimate challenge. We will create a YouTube channel that uses Copilot as helper, not the main source of content. We will rely on our own creativity. First, ask it for the best niches for you to choose from. Ask it to give some name ideas. Create a logo and banner for the channel. Ask it for a proper description for the channel. And ask for the first video idea. Once you have the channel ready, Copilot can also help you improve your channel as you go. You can access the same feature with your smartphone too. Copilot can help you with many things, but there is more to discover by yourself or by following my other videos. If you are interested in another video on AI, please let me know in the comment section below. Copilot or other large language model are amazing AI model that can help you create amazing content, but they are not perfect. They may make mistakes, errors or inconsistencies. They may also generate content that is offensive, inappropriate or inaccurate. You should also use your own judgment and common sense when using them. Also, did you know there is a new feature in Adobe Photoshop called Generative Fill, which can create amazing images with just few clicks, but it is very expensive. Don't worry, I have a trick to show you how to use it for free. You can find that video in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome video like this one. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, peace.